Welcome! Today we are going to be showing you everything that comes in your SoftStartRV box. So first up, you have all of the wiring connectors, zip ties, and hardware fasteners that you'll need to install your SoftStartRV. The great thing about SoftStartRV is that they send you everything you need when you order it, so you don't have to worry about going to the store or getting down off the roof of your RV because you don't have everything you need. They don't just send the clamps and clips, but also the tools you'll need. So this crimper tool will be a big help when you're doing your installation. Next up, you'll see the instructions. So they have this instruction sheet where they tell you where you can locate resources to help with your install. So SoftStartRV has great resources, such as wiring diagrams for just about every model of AC unit and a tech support line. If you submit a support ticket, they'll give you a call and talk you through the whole installation. SoftStartRV even gives you a free extended warranty. So as long as you register your product and leave a review, they will extend your warranty to 3 years. Next up, of course, what you've all been waiting for is the SoftStartRV product. So this is actually such a small product, but it really packs a punch. They made it 52% smaller than the competitors because they know you need flexibility when you're installing it. You can fit it virtually anywhere that you need to, but it comes with 3 feet of wire so that anywhere you put it in your AC unit, it's going to be able to be installed. In addition to that, they put this sticky pad on the back and these 4 screw holes so that it can be mounted. And right at the bottom here, they've actually updated it to be waterproof, which is so amazing, especially in an RV where you may be facing the elements. These 3 LED lights are helpful to know as well. The first one will turn red when the unit is doing a self-test. Once the unit starts up, the second one will turn red. And then when it's fully running, the third will turn green, and the other 2 will turn off. That is everything you need to install your SoftStartRV, and it all comes in the box.